Welcome to Komacut. We offer on-demand sheet metal fabrication for 1 to 100,000 units per order. Komacut allows you to edit and update all account information directly from the account menu. From the right corner, just click the avatar. The user menu will expand so you can see your options. The User Management section helps manage multiple users and give them each specific rights. Click Add New User, then enter the email and set their permissions. You can give the new user rights to access different sections of the application, like creating quotes. You can also let them perform specific actions, like placing an order. The new user will get an invitation email once you've done this. From the Preferences section, you can manage all your personal information, like name and email, and new subscription preferences. And also select your language. The Billing section is for company information, taxes, and currencies. Make sure all of these sections are accurate. Your Account Statement section shows all information about the orders that were processed. You can download each invoice or export the entire statement by clicking the Export Statement button.